Welcome back to the channel. This is Mac. Today we are working on my wife's 2016 Jeep Rubicon. We got it for her, and I think I have to replace the thermostat. So based on one of the codes, one of the issues could be thermostat. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. It's a cheap part. We'll kind of show you that process. It's pretty simple. So here we go. So this is it right here. This cover comes right off. It just pulls right up. This is part of the intake. I went ahead and removed that. It's one bolt. It goes right here. Maybe it was two, but I only had one. I'm probably sure there's two here. But this one's broken. Okay. I removed this so I can actually get to the thermostat. Thermostat's right here. When you buy it, it'll look like this with the thermostat inside it. So I had just two bolts and a clamp with the hose. Now, I don't have the hose with me right now, but I'm gonna go get the hose. This one looks a little dry rotted, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace the upper. The bottom doesn't look the greatest either. It feels, just on feel, you can feel that it feels a little dry rotted and stuff. So I'm gonna go get those hoses to replace those. First thing to do is I'm just gonna pop this off and start draining this bad boy. I do have a pan underneath it. I don't know if you can see it down there, but I do have a pan. Let me get some pliers and start breaking this thing open. All right, not too hard. Again, there's two bolts on here, and you can see on this thing. One upper, one lower. Remove it, and then just a couple clamps. Super simple job. One upper, one lower. Alright, that's out. I got some of the stuff, and some of it ended up on my floor. Anyway, so that is off. I'm gonna open this thing up. Okay, let's go get some stuff. Looks like we're gonna need some more radiator fluid. New upper, new lower, then we're good. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, I took out the air box. It just pulls out of here. So it just makes it easier to get to the lower radiator hose. I'm sure you can probably do it without it, but yeah, I just went ahead and did that. Should be a quick little... Okay, now I'm gonna yank that hose off and then go get replacements. All right, parts came in. These look like perfect. So, a little story real quick. I went down to AutoZone just to go buy them, and they actually didn't carry them in stock, which isn't unheard of, but it's starting to become the norm with everything over there. And they wanted $98 and some change for the lower radiator hose. So I was like, $98 is ridiculous. So, and then for the upper, they wanted like 33 bucks. It questioned me, go check it out. Call them, AutoZone. So I went on Rock Auto. I got the lower radiator hose for 27 bucks. It's a Gates, and there's the part number of it. And then the upper was like 15 or 17 bucks. And it was an AC Delco part, which is great. AC Delco is good stuff. And then it was $10 in shipping. So I think it was all like 50 something bucks to get it all shipped to my house with taxes and everything, which is nothing compared to the $98 we're going to charge for the lower radiator hose, which is ridiculous. Rock Auto, please sponsor me. That was awesome deal I got from them. Maybe I'll get free parts, who knows. But anyway, off my little high horse, let's go ahead and put these parts in here. Oh, and by the way, I had it in 2 days. So I started this on Tuesday, waited one day, and then it came today. So yeah, like 2 full days. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take these little crimps off here, clamps, move them over, and then just put them back on. I'll be done with it. All right. Skip ahead. We have everything put back in, new radiator hoses. I put a little bit more fluid in there. It's burping out right now. Car's running. Lower radiator hose is in there. And I'm just kind of checking for leaks. I don't really see any. I'll be checking underneath. Still a little bit over here, but nothing else is leaking. So right now I'm just gonna burp this thing out and do it the old-fashioned way without a vacuum. And I'll let you know how it goes. I think overall it's not a hard job, guys. You can get this done in just about an hour or so if you have the parts. Take off the upper and lower radiator hose. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna come back as soon as I get this all burped out and let you know how that process goes. Okay, so I'm gonna check to see where temperature's at after bubbling it out for a while. If you can see it, it's running at half. That's usually what the car runs out anyway, so she is good. We're calling it good. Just gotta put the little plastic cover on. Thanks guys for watching. Until next time, you guys have a good one. Thank you. Bye.